I'm Noemi, and in these stressful times, I'm here to share some tips with stay-at-home moms, working moms, and everything in between moms.
In this week's Take a Minute, let's talk about back-to-school resources. Well, the kids are going back to school, but the debate goes on. Is it going to be a traditional classroom, virtual, remote, or distance learning, or how about homeschooling? Regardless of how things turn out, here are some helpful resources the McAllen Public Library has available. First, let's talk about Tutorcom. With Tutorcom, it is a free service that's available with a valid McAllen Public Library card or e-card. Kids as young as 13 years old can create an account using a valid email address, but parents would have to create an account for kids under 13 years old. The one-on-one tutoring is available 7 days a week from noon to midnight, with all other services available 24/7. The list of services available with a free account include: first, favorite tutors. Here students can tag and reconnect with your favorite tutor. Under My Sessions, students can review and share their previous sessions. Under Practice Quizzes, students can prepare for a test or practice their skills with practice quizzes. Under Submit a Paper for Review, you can submit your paper for feedback and guidance. Incidentally, it's also good for adults who want to have someone review their resume. Under Drop-Off Math Help, you get deep step-by-step explanations for math solutions. And under Virtual Locker, you can store your assignments, class notes, projects, and more. Moving on to Book Connections, this is available through the TechShare databases, which means that you would need to come by in person at the McAllen Public Library to pick up the username and password in order to access this service. It is a tool that helps students enhance their reading experience by providing resources to specific books. It offers a reader's advisory, homework help, and homeschool support, among other services. Some of those services include links to resources such as interviews with authors and illustrators, video clips of authors introducing their books, and vocabulary lists, lessons plans, and book discussion questions. Incidentally, it's also perfect for those who want to start a book club. Moving on to the Learning Express, which is also by the TechShare databases. For this, you will need to access it directly from our webpage at www.mcallenlibrary.net and have a valid McAllen Public Library card or e-card. It is a learning resource center for grades 4th and up. Among the services it provides, it helps you prepare for the GED. Under College Admissions Test Center, you can have practice tests to the ACT and SAT. Under the Career Center Plus, it'll help you with practice tests for certifications to get your CDL license, military entrance exams, nursing program entrance exams, and many others. Under the College Center Plus, it'll help with graduate school practice exams for like the NCAT, PSAT, GRE, etc. And it also provides basic computer skill practice. And under the Spanish content, it helps with practice for the GED in Espanol, citizenship, TOEFL, and many others. For more information and details on how to use these services, go to YouTube and you can find tutorials by typing MPL Tech Tips Tutor.com or MPL Tech Tips Learning Express. And this is Take a Minute.
This is Noemi Escamilla with the Palmy Branch Library, asking you to take a minute to take care of yourself so you can take care of your family.